In this video, we listed the 5 best folding bikes for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: FJ 20-inch folding bicycle. The FJ 20-inch folding bicycle is a versatile and durable option for adult outdoor cycling enthusiasts. This folding bike offers a range of features designed for both convenience and performance, making it ideal for urban commuting or off-road cycling adventures. It features a variable speed system, allowing riders to adjust the gear ratios based on terrain, enhancing the cycling experience on flat roads as well as steep inclines. The bike is equipped with dual disc brakes, which provide reliable stopping power in various weather conditions, improving safety and control. Its alloy-integrated wheels are not only strong but also lightweight, offering a balance of durability and speed. The folding mechanism makes it highly portable and space-saving, perfect for riders who need a bike they can easily store or transport in smaller spaces. Product 2. Product name: Ultralight folding bicycle. The Ultralight folding bicycle is a 20-inch, 9-speed folding bike designed for students and adults who need a portable and convenient mode of transportation. Constructed with aluminum alloy, the bike is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to carry and store when folded. Their 9-speed gear system allows for a versatile riding experience, suitable for both city commuting and moderate off-road conditions. This bike is equipped with disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power, even in wet or downhill conditions. The folding mechanism allows for quick and easy storage, making it ideal for those with limited space, such as students in dorms or apartment dwellers. The compact design also makes it a good choice for individuals who commute via public transport, as it can be folded and carried without hassle. Product 3. Product name: Snow folding bicycle. The Snow folding bicycle, specifically the electric bike SameBike XWLX09, is a versatile and powerful outdoor foldable e-bike designed for all-terrain riding, including snowy or rough surfaces. Equipped with a 500W motor and a 48V10Ah battery, this electric mountain bicycle provides a reliable power output for challenging environments. The 20-inch X 4.0 fat tires are perfect for riding on snow, sand, or rough trails, offering enhanced stability, grip, and shock absorption. This bike is built for adult riders looking for convenience and performance. Its foldable design makes it portable and easy to store, making it ideal for commuters or outdoor enthusiasts who need to transport their bike in a car or store it in limited spaces. The electric assist enables riders to cover longer distances with less effort, making it perfect for various terrains, whether you're riding on snow, off-road, or in urban settings. Product 4. Product name: ENGWE Engine Pro folding bicycle. The ENGWE Engine Pro folding bicycle is a robust and versatile electric bike designed for adults, particularly suited for mountain, snow, and all-terrain riding. Featuring a 750W powerful motor and a 48V16Ah battery, this e-bike offers high performance, allowing riders to tackle steep hills and tough terrains with ease. The 24-inch fat tires provide superior grip and stability, making it ideal for off-road adventures, including snowy paths or rugged trails. What sets the ENGWE Engine Pro apart is its foldable design, offering the convenience of easy storage and portability, making it practical for urban commuters or those with limited space. The bike is equipped with advanced shock absorption, ensuring a smooth ride over rough terrain. It also supports a high-speed mode, making it a strong choice for those who enjoy both leisurely rides and high-speed biking. Product 5. Product name: OEM Full Suspension Folding Mountain Bike. The OEM Full Suspension Folding Mountain Bike is a versatile and durable option designed for adult riders who seek both performance and convenience. It features a full suspension system, ensuring smooth rides on uneven terrains by absorbing shocks from both the front and rear wheels. Built from carbon steel, this foldable mountain bike is engineered for strength and longevity, making it ideal for off-road adventures as well as urban commuting. The folding mechanism adds to its appeal by allowing users to easily store or transport the bike, a particularly useful feature for those with limited storage space or who need to carry their bike on public transport. Wholesale options for this model make it suitable for businesses or groups seeking to purchase in bulk, while the OEM, original equipment manufacturer, aspect allows for customization according to specific brand requirements or rider preferences. This ensures a tailored experience for various markets or personal needs.